everyone and welcome to Explode Maths. In this video, we are going to solve a very nice Olympiad math problem, that is y raised to power 6 is equal to 64, and we have to find all possible values of y. So let us see its solution. So here in first step we will write y to power 6 is equal to, this 64 is same as 2 to power 6. So from here we can see that the power is same on both sides. So by comparing the bases we can get the value of y equal to 2. Here is only one value of y, but actually we have to find the 6 values of y because here is the 6th degree equation. So we will solve it further in this way. Y to power 6 minus 2 to power 6 is equal to 0, or y, this power can be splitted in this way: y to power 3 to whole power square minus 2 to power 3 to whole power square is equal to 0. And now here we can apply an algebraic identity, that is a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So by following this formula, here we can write y cube plus 2 cube into y cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. We can see that there are two factors that are equal to 0. So here we can write y cube plus 2 cube is equal to 0, or y cube minus 2 cube is equal to 0. And here again, on both equations we can apply an algebraic identity, that is a cube plus or minus b cube is equal to a plus or minus b into a square plus or minus ab plus b square. So by following this cube formula, these two equations can be expanded in this way: y plus 2 into y square minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, or here y minus 2 into y square plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. And here again, in both cases there are two factors on both sides that are equal to 0. So we will further take it each factor equal to 0. So here will be y plus 2 is equal to 0, or y square minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, and here y minus 2 is equal to 0, or y square plus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. So now from here, this equation and this equation, we will get y equal to minus 2 and here y equal to positive 2. So here we have gotten two values of y, and here we have gotten a form of quadratic equations. So we will solve it further by quadratic formulas. So here, to conclude the solution, we will join these two equations, that will be y square plus minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0. And then we will solve it by using quadratic formula. So here we will write again the equation, that is y square plus or minus 2y plus 4 is equal to 0, and here a will be equal to 1, b will be equal to plus or minus 2, and c will be equal to 4. And the quadratic formula for the value of y will be equal to minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a, and by putting the values of a, b and c, here y will be equal to minus into plus or minus 2 plus or minus square root of plus minus 2 square minus 4 times 1 times 4 divided by 2 times 1. So now here y will be equal to plus or minus 2 plus or minus square root of 4 minus 4 times 4 is 16 divided by 2, and now here y will be equal to plus or minus 2 plus or minus square root of negative 12 divided by 2, or now we will write y equal to plus or minus 2 plus minus square root of, this 12 can be expanded in this way, 4 times 3 times negative 1 divided by 2, or now y will be equal to plus or minus 2 plus minus, here this square root of 4 is equal to 2, so it will be out of square root, and here will be square root of 3 times I, as we know that square root of negative 1 is equal to I, so divided by 2, and now from numerator we can take 2 as common factor, so here will be plus or minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3i over 2, and this 2 will be cancelled by this 2, and we will get y equal to plus or minus 1 plus or minus square root of 3 times I. So here the values of y we have gotten are y1 is equal to negative 2, y2 is equal to positive 2, and here we will write y3 will be equal to 1 plus square root of 3 times I, and y4 will be equal to 1 minus square root of 3 times I, and y5 will be equal to minus 1 plus square root of 3 times I, and y6 will be equal to minus 1 minus square root of 3 times I. So here we have gotten 6 values of y, and that is the solution to our problem. I hope you would have liked the video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.